Greetings my friends, this is Andrey. I'm your private property consultant here at Harmony Estate. I'm helping you to purchase the best and the most reliable projects in Phuket, as well as we have a large portfolio of villas for rentals for your vacation. Next, another episode, and I am in the north parts of Phuket, not far from Bangtao area, and this is a very cozy project. Not big, but I would like to highlight the word of the house of the villas is cozy. It's a new development, it's under construction, but it's gonna be finished very soon. Inside, I can highlight plenty of the features. This is very cozy project. We have not too many villas in very quiet and unique area. So let's start our new episode. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Pavara Khiri. Let's begin.
Soft eyes glow, bare skin moves. One long look pulls me in. Low bass hums, deep slow grin. Every step locks me in. Slow attraction feels so strong. Pull me closer all night long. No resistance, we belong. Slow attraction, perfect song.
I'm working today, shooting the villa, and yeah, I'm impressed by the quality of the villa. This is the dining, this is your kitchen, and this is the living area. I don't like the very tall ceiling, but here they are very nicely done. It's a 3+1 bedroom villa. Here is your private pool, outdoor patio or sala, and this is your barbecue setup. Looking great. We have a power cut off just recently, a couple of minutes ago, and I'm surprised by the quality of the developer, even though this is a first development, but the quality is here. You have a tile, you have a wooden floors. Let me show you the master bedroom, and this is the walkway to your master bedroom. You can do the shortcut here, but I would like to show you how that looks like. This is a mandatory, should be to any of the villas here in Phuket. Place for everything, for the shoes. It should be like that. Sadly, we don't have plenty of projects with the shoe cabinets. Yeah, extra space for you to work, and this is your master bedroom, perfectly designed. You just open up the door in the morning time and go directly to that pool. Sunbeds, make a small jacuzzi here, and yeah, I would do the shortcut here because I would like to be as close as possible to that building, but anyway, it's good. You can do the walkway here. So yeah, let me show you another part of the master bedroom, which I also like. So the wooden floors, I'm enjoying every time when I see in the villa the wooden floors. This is your master bathroom. This is a bathtub, and here we have a big mirror, which is a very conveniently located, and it gives you a lot of natural light. I love it. Vanity setup. The toilet is here, covered, and yeah, sorry without lights. Makeup table, walk-in wardrobe, and yeah, looks nice. And this is your barbecue area. Let me walk you through this part. And I feel like I am home here. There is another floor, which is very interesting, located on the above, and I love it. Barbecue setup is here. Very cool place under the shade, and this is your outdoor area. So there is another floor which is here with the extra space as a patio, And there's another bedroom here, so it technically is 4 bedrooms for your family and friends. An outdoor patio here. The pool is decent sizes. Look at that. Great. This is a secondary bedroom. Yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's continue to work. Let's continue to do the video. Let's talk about the location of the project. It's conveniently located at Pasak area. You are very close to all infrastructure of Bangtao, yet you are far away from hustle and bustle. There is no noise of construction, no traffic jams. You are very close to shopping malls, to the schools, and yeah, it's very convenient location. Most of the projects here are completed. There is no construction, machinery, other stuff here. So yeah, it's very, very good located. Project consists of only 16 private pool villas. The layout is 3 bedrooms up to 6 bedrooms, and nowadays we do have only 3 villas available here, ready to move in or almost completed. So we do have plot sizes from 508 square meters up to 728 square meters, and indoors it's 372 up to 556 square meters. The prices from the smallest one, 39 million baht up to 60 million baht, which is very nice for the villa that size, that's layout, with that furniture, and I love it. Inside you can see it holds specific and unique design. The bedrooms are conveniently located separately from each other. The pool, the garden, the sala, the barbecue area, I love it. So they are cleverly designed in advance. They don't just copy and paste. They made something unique. I like the idea of the second floor, and over there you have a storage area, or it can be converted to the 4th bedroom with a private balcony. So in case you would like to rent it out, it's going to be 4-bedroom villa. Very nice location, very good design, and it holds the value. This villa will hold the value, and I can see there are not so many things to be maintained. One more thing which I like about the villa itself is the green areas. There are plenty of greens, garden, you have the fence with the green, so it's very unique and modern. And the pool, I love the pool.
Your heat stays so close now. No fear here, no pause left. We drift slow, we slide near. No more space left to hide. Stay right here, don't let it fade.
Developer has experience, they've done many projects, they've been collaborating with many other brands, and this is a project which highlights their experience, and I really like the idea, the style, the furniture package. I believe one of the best one. The kitchen behind me is great, it's integrated, and it's everything that you need. Plenty of in terms of the villa, it's great, reliable developer. They're building another project which is a mega project overlooking Layan. I'm going to show you and present you the project in the future, but in terms of reliability of developer, you can trust, and it's almost finished, so you can come inside and you can check the quality of actual villas now available for sale. Plus, it's always good to see where you're gonna live. The only downside is that you don't have a payment plan for that type of the villas, which is almost completed. You have to pay maybe with a small payment plan for a couple of months, but you have to pay almost everything in one time. So in terms of the developer, very reliable, and you can see quality is very nice.
Slow attraction feels so strong. Pull me closer all night long. No resistance, we belong. Slow attraction, perfect song.
this was my quick and cozy review of Pavara Khiri. If you like the project or my video, hit the like button. If you would like to have more information about the project, my contacts down there below. Email me or send me the WhatsApp. I can send you all materials about the project, or I can pick you up from your place in Phuket. We can see the property directly. It's a great project. It's almost completed. We do have a great interior design. It's very quiet and unique and peaceful. And yeah, it's my private recommendation to consider that. As you can do here, it's a great investment. That villa will hold the value. Let me know in case you have any questions. This is the most harsh sun. We have 130. Yeah, try to avoid that sun if you don't want to be sunburned. So Andrey, Harmony Estate, and thank you for your time. Hit like button, subscribe to my channel, and I wish for you only the best. Your private property consultant here at Harmony Estate. See you soon. Take care.